Hello friends, welcome to Dash Rakshit channel. In today's video, we are going to see lunch routine vlog. For this year, I have soaked rice in water and kept water for rice to cook. Into the pressure cooker, added dal and turmeric and water. In meanwhile, I am going to chop some onions and tomatoes required for the dal. Here, my kid loves to play in water. On side by side, I am going to cut some onions and tomatoes required for the dal. Once chopping is finished, add onions and tomatoes into the pressure cooker. Mix it well, keep your flame on medium and pressure it under for 3 to 4 whistles. For sambar, here I have taken brinjal. You can even take either any vegetables like lady's finger, carrot, beans, etc. Clean the brinjal and cut it in lengthwise and add into an bowl that contains water. I have kept in both stoves. So here in meanwhile I am going to cut all the onions and tomatoes and vegetables required for cooking. Once water is boiled, add soaked rice into the water and keep your flame on medium high and stir it well. Today I am going to do potato fry, so that I am washing the potatoes and peeled out its skin. Cut the potatoes into small pieces and then add into an water. Wash the potato for 2 to 3 times so the starch present in the potato will be removed, that means decreased. If you're watching my channel for the first time, do like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss my any notifications. Once chopping is done, here I am taking out some curry leaves and coriander required for the sambar. After 3 to 4 whistles, turn off the flame and keep aside. Meanwhile, I am chopping the coriander required for the sambar and soaking a tamarind. Here I have taken one small lemon sized tamarind and soaked in hot water, and here taken 5 to 6 pods of garlic, peeling out its skin. Placed a kadai on the stove for potato fry. Once kadai is heated, add 2 to 3 spoons of oil. Here I have taken iron kadai. If we cook in iron kadai, the food becomes very tasty and especially the potato fry becomes very crispier. Keep your flame on high. Once oil gets heated, add chopped potatoes into the oil directly. And keep your flame on medium and mix it gently. Saute it well for 5 to 6 minutes. In meanwhile, I am going to crush the garlic for the sambar. Once pressure is released, open the cooker with the help of a masher. Mash it well. After 5 to 6 minutes, add 1 spoon of chili powder and 1/4 spoon of turmeric and required amount of salt into the potato and mix it well. Keep your flame on medium. Cook until potato becomes crispier and smooth. Add few sprigs of curry leaves before closing the lid. It gives nice aroma to the fry. Here my rice is cooked. I am going to drain out the water. Once you finished draining out the water from the rice, keep it on the stove for 5 seconds on a high flame so that the extra water will be dried under the vessel. Into a mashed dal, I am going to add brinjal and cook it for 1 whistle. You can even cook in open pan. Our potato fry is ready. Transfer it to a serving bowl. In meanwhile, our brinjal is also cooked. Here I have washed and kept the same kadai. Add required amount of oil for deep frying the puppet. Once oil is heated, drop your puppet one by one. Carefully. In the same oil, add 1 spoon of mustard and crushed garlic and curry leaves. Fry until onion becomes golden color. Add 1/4 spoon of asafoetida or hing. Our brinjal has been finely cooked. Once onion turns golden brown, add dal and brinjal into the kadai. On side by side, I am washing the vessels, so we need not to spend an extra time for washing the vessels. In meanwhile, I am going to extract some tamarind pulp and add into the sambar and diluting with some water. At this stage, you can add salt according to your taste. An empty sink always gives a pleasant of mind. While adding brinjal into a pressure cooker, I have added 1 spoon of chili powder and 1 spoon of coriander powder and half a spoon of sambar powder. Once the sambar has started boiling, I have added chopped coriander. Cook it for 5 minutes and turn off the flame and transfer into a serving bowl. I have washed iron kadai and I am going to season it now. Here our lunch is ready: white rice, brinjal sambar, potato fry and some puppet. Here I have finished lunch within 40 minutes. Add 1 spoon of ghee and enjoy with pickle. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a happy day. Don't forget to subscribe.